Hi, and welcome to this PractiTest film, where we will present PractiTest's unique approach to tests and testing artifacts organization. PractiTest's unique method for organizing your testing-related data is based on custom fields and hierarchical filter trees. This lets you organize your testing in a dynamic way, present the relevant data to the relevant stakeholders, and always find what you are looking for easily and quickly. Let's start with custom fields. In addition to the given system fields, PractiTest lets you add custom fields to your entities. Fields allow you to add and customize the attributes of your entities. Each custom field can be linked to more than one entity. There are various field formats you can create. The most useful ones are list, multi-list, and linked list. With these fields, you can characterize and define each entity. You can create fields for component, subcomponent, test area, priority, assigned to, and more. Based on your system and custom fields, you can create hierarchical filter trees. Filters let you organize and view your testing artifacts based on entities field's definition. Each module has its own filter tree structure. For example, you can create a filter for your test that will present only those that are assigned to you. Under this filter, you can add a subfilter that will present tests that are assigned to you and are in priority level 1. When you choose an autofilter for a list field, the system will automatically create filters for each of the values in your list. For example, if you have a component field with these values, the autofilter will create a filter for each of these values, presenting only the tests that are marked as application server under the autofilter application server, and so on. You can also create cross filters to see information in one module based on the traceability to entities in another module. For example, if you want to see all issues reported during a specific sprint and you have a sprint filter in your test sets and runs module, you can create a cross filter in the issues module and base it on the sprint filter from the test sets and runs module. With the filter tree approach, you do not need to dig for buried tests in buried folders. All your entities appear dynamically according to their field's value, and thus saving you time and giving you better visibility to your entities. PractiTest, end-to-end test management.